वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वदरुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
असन्दिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अनवद्यं च
सूत्रविदो विदुः।
सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः। प्रथमः पादः।
पादः
समर्थः पदविधिः।
पदविधिः
शुभामन्त्रते पराङ्गवत्स्वरे
शुभामन्त्रिते पराङ्गवत्स्वरे
कडारात् समासः
प्राक्कडारात् समासः
सह सुपा
सह सुपा
अव्ययी भावः
अव्ययी भावः
अव्ययं विभक्ति समीप समृद्धि विहृद्यर्थाभावात्ययासं प्रतिशब्द प्रादुर्भाव पश्चाद् यथानुपूर्वयोगपद्य सादृश्य संपत्ति साकल्यान्त वचनेषु
अव्ययं विभक्ति समीप समृद्धि यथाभावाद्यया सम्प्रति शब्द प्रादुर्भावश्चाद् यथानुपूर्व्य योगपद्य सादृश्य सम्पत्ति साकल्यान्त वचनेषु
यथा सादृश्ये
यथा सादृश्ये
यावदवधारणे
यावदवधारणे
सुप्रतिनामात्रार्थे
सुप्रतिनामात्रार्थे
अक्षशलाका संख्याः परिणाम
अक्षशलाका संख्या परिणा
विभाषा
विभाषा
अपपरिबहिरञ्च वः पञ्चम्या
अपपरिबहिरञ्च वः पञ्चम्या
मर्यादाभिविद्योः
आङ्मर्यादाभिविद्योः
लक्षणेनाभिप्रति आभिमुख्ये
लक्षणेनाभिप्रति आभिमुख्ये
अनुर्यत्समया
अनुर्यत्समया
यस्य चायामः
यस्य चायामः
चायामः
तिष्ठद्गुप्रभृतीनि च
तिष्ठद्गुप्रभृतीनि च
पारे मध्ये षष्ट्या वा
पारे
पारे
मध्ये
मध्ये
षष्ट्या
षष्ट्या
वा
सङ्ख्यावंश्येन
सङ्ख्यावंशेन
नदीभिश्च
नदीभिश्च
अन्यपदार्थे च संज्ञायाम्
अन्यपदार्थे च संज्ञायाम्
तत्पुरुषः
तत्पुरुषः
ऋगुश्च
द्विगुश्च
द्वितीया श्रुतातीतपतितगतात्यस्तप्राप्ता पण्णैः
द्वितीया
पतितगतात्यस्तप्राप्तापन्नैः
स्वयं तेन
स्वयं तेन
कट्वाक्षेपे
खट्वाक्षेपे
सामी
सामी
कालाः
कालाः
अत्यन्तसंयोगे च
अत्यन्तसंयोगे च
तृतीया तत्कृतार्थेन गुणवचनेन
तृतीया तत्कृतार्थेन वचनेन
पूर्वसदृशसमोनार्थकलहनिपुनमिश्रश्लक्ष्मैः
पूर्वसदृशसमोनार्थकलहनिपुनमिश्रश्लक्ष्मैः
कर्तृकरणे कृता बहुलम्
कर्तृकरणे कृता बहुलम्
प्रत्यैरधिकार्थवचने
कृत्यैरधिकार्थवचने
अन्येन व्यञ्जनम्
अन्येन व्यञ्जनम्
भक्ष्येन मिश्रीकरणम्
भक्ष्येण मिश्रीकरणम्
चतुर्थी तदर्थार्थबलिहितसुखरक्षितैः
चतुर्थी
तदर्थार्थबलिहितसुखरक्षितैः
तदर्थार्थबलिहितसुखरक्षितैः
पञ्चमी भयेन
पञ्चमी भयेन
अपेतापोडमुक्तपतितापत्रस्तैरल्पशः
अपेतापोडमुक्तपतितापत्रस्तैरल्पशः
स्तोकान्तिकदूरार्थकृच्छ्रानिक्थेन
शोकान्तिकदूरार्थकृच्छ्रानिक्तेन
सप्तमी शौण्डैः
सप्तमी
सप्तमी
शौण्डैः
सिद्धशुष्कपक्वबन्धैश्च
सिद्धशुष्कबन्धैश्च
स्वाङ्क्षेण क्षेपे
ध्वांक्षेण क्षेपे
कृत्यैरणे
कृत्यैरणे
संज्ञायाम्
संज्ञायाम्
तेनाहोरात्रावयवाः
तेनाहोरात्रावयवाः
तत्र
तत्र
क्षेपे
क्षेपे
पात्रे समितादयश्च
पात्रे समितादयश्च
पूर्वकालैकसर्वजरत्पुराणनवकेवलाः समानाधिकरणेन
पूर्वकालैकसर्वजरत्पुराणनवकेवलाः समानाधिकरणेन
दिक्सङ्ख्ये संज्ञायाम्
दिक्सङ्ख्ये संज्ञायाम्
तद्धितार्थोत्तरपदसमाहारे च
तद्धितार्थोत्तरपदसमाहारे च
सङ्ख्यापूर्वोद्विगुः
संज्ञापूर्वोद्विगुः
कुत्सितानि कुत्सनैः
कुत्सितानि
कुत्सितानि
पापानके कुत्सितैः
पापाणके
पापानके
कुत्सितैः
कुत्सितैः
उपमानानि सामान्यवचनैः
उपमानानि
सामान्यवचनैः
सामान्यवचनैः
उपमितं व्याघ्राधिभिः सामान्या प्रयोगे
उपमितं व्याघ्रादिभिः
व्याघ्रादिभिः
सामान्ये
प्रयोगे
प्रयोगे
विशेषणं विशेष्येन बहुलम्
विशेषणं विशेष्येण बहुलम्
पूर्वापरप्रथमचरमझगन्यसमानमध्यमध्यमवीराश्च
पूर्वापरप्रथमचरणमध्यगण्य
पूर्वापरप्रथमचरणमध्यमवीराश्च
समानमध्यमवीरश्च
श्रेण्यादयः कृतादिभिः
श्रेण्यादय
श्रेण्यादयकृतादिभिः
कृतादिभिः
तेन नं विशिष्टेनानञ्ज
तेन विशिष्टेनानन्
सन्नगत्परमोत्तमोत्कृष्टाः पूज्यमानैः
सन्मगत्परमोत्तमोत्कृष्टा
सन्मगत्परमोत्कृष्टाः
पूज्यमानैः
पूज्यमानैः
वृन्दारकनाककुञ्जरैः पूज्यमानम्
वृन्दारकनाथकुञ्जरैः
वृन्दारकनागकुञ्जरैः पूज्यमानम्
पूज्यमानम्
कतरकतमौ जातिः परिप्रश्ने
कतरकतमो
जातिपरिप्रश्ने
जातिपरिप्रश्ने
किं क्षेपे
किं क्षेपे
ओटा युवतिस्तोककतिपयघृष्टिधेनुवशावेगत्पष्कयनी प्रवक्त्रश्रोत्रियाध्यापकधूर्दैर्जातिः
कोटा
कोटायुवति
युवति
स्तोक कतिपय दृष्टि देनु वशा गेहद
वेणुवशावेगत्पष्कयणी
बष्कयाद श्रोत्रियाध्यापक
प्रवक्त्रश्रोत्रियाध्यापकधूर्तैर्जातिः
द्यूते जातिः
प्रशंसावचनैश्च
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 युवा खलति फलितवलिनजरतीभिः
युवा खलत फलित
फलितवलिनजरतीभिः
वलिन जरतीभिः
कृत्यतुल्याख्या अजात्या
कृत्यतुल्या क्या
कृत्यतुल्याख्या
अजात्या
वर्णो वर्णेन
वर्णो वर्णेन
कुमारश्रमणाधिभिः
कुमारश्रवणादिभिः
चतुष्पादो गर्भिण्याम्
चतुष्पादो गर्भिण्या
मयूरविंशकादयश्च
मयूरव्यंसकादयश्च
पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे द्वितीयाध्यायस्य प्रथमः पादः
पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे
द्वितीयाध्यायस्य
द्वितीयाध्यायस्य प्रथमः पाठः
द्वितीयः पादः
द्वितीयपादः
पूर्वापराधरोत्तरवेकदेशिनैकाधिकरणे
पूर्वापराधरोत्तरवेकदेशिनैकाधिकरणे
अर्धं नपुंसकम्
अर्धं नपुंसकम्
द्वितीयतृतीयचतुर्थतुर्यान्यन्यतरस्याम्
द्वितीयतृतीयचतुर्थतुर्यान्यतरस्याम्
प्राप्तापन्ने च द्वितीयया
प्राप्तापन्ने च द्वितीयया
कालाः परिमाणिना
काला परिमाणिना नञ्च
ईषदकृता
ईषदकृता
षष्ठी
षष्ठी
याजकादिभिश्च
याजकादिश्च
न निर्धारणे
निर्धारणे
पूरणगुणसुहितार्थसदव्यगतव्यसमानाधिकरणेन
सुहितार्थ सदव्यय तव्य
समानाधिकरणेन
समानाधिकरणेन
तेन च पूजायाम्
तेन च पूजाया
अधिकरणवाचिना च
अधिकरणवाचिना च
कर्मणि च
कर्मणि च
त्रिजकाभ्यां कर्तरि
त्रिजकाभ्यां
कर्तरि
कर्तरि च
कर्तरि च
नित्यं क्रीडा जीविकयोः
नित्यं
नित्यं
क्रीडाजीविकयोः
क्रीडाजीविकयोः
कुगतिप्रादयः
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 उपपदमतिं
उपपदमतिं
उपपदमतिम्
अमैवाव्ययेन
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 तृतीया प्रवृत्तिन्यन्यतरस्याम्
तृतीया
तृतीया
प्रवृत्तिन्यन्यतरस्यां
प्रवृत्तिन्यन्यतरस्याम्
वाच
वाच
शेषो बहुव्रीहिः
शेषो
शेषो
बहुव्रीहिः
बहुव्रीहिः
अनेकमन्यपदार्थे
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 संख्यया व्यया सन्नादूरादिकसंख्याः संख्येये
संख्यया
संख्यया
व्ययासन्ना दूरादिकसंख्याः
दूराधिकसंख्याः
संख्येये
संख्यये
दिङ्नामान्यन्तराले
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 तत्र तेनेदमिति स्वरूपे
तत्र ते
तत्र
नेदमिति
तेनेदमिति
स्वरूपे
स्वरूपे
तेन सहेति तुल्ययोगे
तेन
तेन
सहेति
सहेति
तुल्ययोगे
तुल्ययोगे
चार्थे द्वन्द्वः
चार्थे द्वन्द्वः
द्वन्द्वः
उपसर्जनं पूर्वम्
उपसर्जनं
उपसर्जनं
पूर्वम्
पूर्वम्
राजदन्तादिषु परम्
राजदन्तादिषु
राजदन्तादिषु
परम्
परम्
द्वन्द्वे घी
द्वन्द्वे घी
द्वन्द्वेहि
अजाद्यदन्तम्
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 अल्पाच्तरम्
अल्पाक्षरम्
अल्पाक्षरम्
सप्तमे विशेषणे बहुव्रीहौ
सप्तमी
सप्तमी
विशेषणे
विशेषेणे
बहुव्रीहौ
बहुव्रीहौ
निष्ठा
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 वाहिताज्ञातिषु
वाहिताज्ञादिषु
वाहिताज्ञादिषु
कडारा कर्मधारये
कडारा
कर्मधारये
कर्मधारये
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे द्वितीयाध्यायस्य द्वितीयः पादः
इति
इति
पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे
पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे
द्वितीयाध्यायस्य
द्वितीयाध्यायस्य
द्वितीयः
द्वितीयः
पादः
पादः
Last class we were seeing this sutra. Tatpurushe kriti bagulam. Tatpurushe kriti bagulam. This is aluk uttarapada. That uttarapade pare, kridanta uttarapade pare, tatpurushe bagulam aluk bhavati. In this we saw the example for kvachit pravritihi, kvachit apravritihi, kvachit vibhasha, and in kvachit anyadeva, this example we saw brahmana chamsi. Tatpurushe kriti bagulam. The sutra says that when the kridanta uttarapada follows, then saptami vibhaktege aluk bagulam bhavati. Saptamyaha. For kvachit anyadeva, we have seen kvachit pravrittihi, kvachit apravrittihi, kvachit vivasha, kvachit anyadeva. Kvachit anyadeva, for that example, brahmana chamsi. This example, stock example. I gave here brahmanat iti panchami. Anya vibhaktehe api aluk bhavati. Kevalam saptami for other also. So therefore here we have brahmanat iti panchami vibhakti. Brahmana plus panchami, which is nasi. Then brahmanat shamsati. Brahmanat shamsati. There is a vartikam. In fact, it is there in panchami. But I'm not sure whether we saw the vartikam. There is a vartikam which says Brahmanat Chamsi Aha Brahmanat Chamsinaha Upasankyanam Kartavya. This is a Vartika under Stokadibhyaha, Panchamya Stokadibhyaha. There itself this example is given. When Panchamyanta Brahmana Shabda is followed by Shamsi, Panchamyaha look, Panchamyaha aluk bhavati iti. Iti upasankyanam kartavya should be enumerated for this particular word is given. Here Brahmana is not Jati Brahmana, it is Brahmana portion of the Veda. So it refers to the person who the Ritvik who chant the Brahmana portion. So it is a word which describes the Ritvik, the priest. So it's a sangya, it's a name, Brahmana Chamsi. So it's a Ritvik Visheshaha. Let's see that is given here under the Panchamya Stokadibhyaha. Panchamya Stokadibhyaha, already we have seen this, 632. We are in 6314. Tat Purushe Prati Bhagavat. There you can see Brahmana Chamsinaha Upasankyanam Kartavyam. This is the one. Brahmanadayaha Shamsati iti Brahmana Chamsi. Ritvik Visheshasya Rudihi iyam. This word referring to, it's a Vishesha, referring to the Ritviks. So therefore it is a Vaidika, the word. Brahmana portion is referring to those portions which are different from the mantra, different from the Samhita. So Richam, it is referring to Brahmane Vigitani Shastrani Upacharat Brahmanani. So the Brahmanani, that is Brahmana Bhaga, this Vaidika, the Veda, Brahmanani Shamsati. Brahmanani Shamsati iti, this Pachaka, this word is Ritvik Vishesha Shabda. Here you can see the Panchamyaha Aluk Bhavati. So therefore it is by Tatpurushe Kriti Bhagulam connected to our sutra where under Kuchit Anyadeva Bhagulakat Panchamyaha Aluk Bhavati. Brahmanat Adaya Shamsati. Brahmanat Akrishya Avayavam Artam Shamsati. So here the Panchami is Apadane Panchami. Brahmana Bhagat. It is Apadane Panchami. But by this it is not Panchami. It is not Apadana Panchami. It is Brahmanat Adaya. It is Brahmanat Akrishya Avayavam Artam Shamsati. So here if it is not Apadana Panchami. If it is Apadana Panchami, then it will not be Aluk. Here it is not Apadana Panchami. If it is Apadane Panchami, I will write one small note. It's not that much important, but there is a vacuum. Here the Panchami is not Apadana Panchami. Here the Panchami Vibhakti Here Panchami is not Apadana Panchami. If it is Apadana Panchami, then it will not be Aluk. It's not Apadana Panchami. If it is Apadana Panchami, then it will become Aluk. So it will become Luk. Because here it is not Apadana Panchami, therefore it has become Aluk, Brahmana Chamsi. It's a name given to the, it's qualifying the rituals. So that is given as an example for Kvachit Anyadeva. So this is Kartika is given under Panchamyaha Stokadibhyaha. Svartika is given. So that Vartika is the example for Kvachit Anyadeva. Okay. So this is the Vigraha one I will write here. Brahmanat. This is according to Kashika Kara. He says Brahmanat Adaya Shamsati Iti Brahmanat Shamsi. This is the Vigraha Vakya. Okay. Brahmanat Akrishya Avayavam Artham Shamsati. It is from the Brahmana portion is Akrishya taking from the Brahmana portion of the Veda Artham Shamsati. He presents he gives the meaning of the Brahmana portion. That Ritvik who does so, that person has this name, Brahmana Chamsi. So, therefore, here it is the Panchami is that Panchamyaha Aluk Bhavati. By this Vartika. So, two things are there here. One thing is Panchamyaha Aluk. There we saw that Panchamyaha Stokadibhyaha in that sutram itself is given as Vartika. And here Tatpurshe Krita Kriti Bhagalam, there Kvachit Anyadeva, for that also we can take this as an example. So this example in both places. Panchamyaha Stokadibhyaha, this already, it is in 632. And here also Tatpurshe Kriti Bhagalam, for this also we can take this as an example. Last class I told I will check the meaning. So this is a meaning. Taking from the Brahmana portion and explaining that the one who is who can do that is knowledgeable. That priest is called, he has got the name itself, Brahmana Chamsi. Chamsi, Shamsati iti Shamsi, referring to the person. It's a Tadita word. So he tells, he presents, he predicts, that is the meaning. Okay. With this Tatpurushe Kriti Bhagulam is done. Then after that, we have seen this next one, next sutra, in the Aluputra Pada, 6.3 section. The website I explained, but I didn't explain. Only that much is there, but still, you will see 6.3.15. Pravrit Sharad Kala Divam J iti. This will see. सूत्रम प्रावृट शरत काल दिवाम जे 6350. This sutra says Pravrit, Sharat, Kala, the 4 words are there. When followed by J, J referring to the G, the J, J referring to J, J referring to, it is Saptami Vibhakti of J, Yata Rama Shabda become Rame, so Saptami, so therefore Tasmaniti Nidishte Purvasya, so J, Ja Uttarapada. When Ja is Uttarapada, then this Saptamyaha, Saptami coming as Anuvrutti, and Uttarapada also is there, Aluk also is there. So when these words followed by the Saptami Vibhakti, which is then followed by Ja Uttarapada, therefore in the Samasa context, what will happen? Tasya Saptamyaha, Tasyaha Saptamyaha Aluk Bhavati. Tata Pravrit, it is Pravrit, not Pravrit, Pravrit. Pravrit plus Saptami Vibhakti. Pravrit plus Gi, followed by Ja. It is Pravrish. Pratipadikam is Pravrish. It is Shakaranta Shabda. Shakaranta Shabda, Pravrish. So when you decline by Vrascha, Sraja, Vraja, sorry, already Shaka by Jastasanti, not by Vrascha, by Jastasanti, 8 to 39, Jalam Deshante. So Pravrish will become Pravrid. Then Karicha Pravrit. Karicha Pravrit. This, the Sutram itself is a Samasa. This is a Pravrit, Sharat, Kala, Divam. This is a Shashti Bhakti. So therefore here it is Pravrit, Cha, Sharat, Cha, Kala, Kala, Cha. Then these are the words in that. So Pravrit, Sharat, Kala, and all these are itself in Dvanda Samasa. These itself in Dvanda Samasa. So that was Shashti Bhakti of that Pravrit Sharat Kala Divam. For these words, when followed by the Ja, which is Uttarapada, then Saptamyaha Aluk Bhavati. So that's what he says here. Pravrit Sharat Kala Divam. Shashti Bhagavachana. Itretara Dvanda Samasa. Itretara Dvanda Samasa. When you write the Vigraha Vakya, it will be Pravrit Sha, Sharat Cha. Here it must be Kalaha, Kalaha Cha, Kalascha. Then Div Cha. Div Shabda is, Div is Div only. It is Div only. Sorry. What is the Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam of Div Shabda? Dyav. It is not Div, Dyav Cha. Akarantaha, Strilingaha, Div Shabdaha, Dyav Cha. So Pravrit, and here Sharat is, it is this Sharat or Sharat, whatever it be, like Marut Shabda. So Pravritcha, Sharatcha, Kalascha, Dyauscha. Tesham becomes Pravrit Sharat Kala Divam, Shashti Vibhakti. So it is in the Sutram, it is Itreta Dvanda Samasa, and Shashti Vibhakti of that is Pravrit Sharat Kala Divam. So Shashti Vibhakti, Bhagavachanam. J is Saptami Vibhakti. So Shashti Vibhakti, so therefore the Karyam will happen there. And what is the Karyam? The Saptami Vibhakti of those words in the Samasa context, then followed by Ja Uttarapadam, Tasyaha Saptamyaha Aluk Bhavati iti. pravrit sharat kala divam je. It is Shashti Bhakti Bhagavachanam. So here it is samasa. That is, you can note. Iterator Dvanda samasa. So pravrit sharat kala divi div div iti, not divi, div iti etesham je uttarapade saptamyaha aluk bhavati. Saptamyaha aluk bhavati. Let us take the Kashika Vritti. Div iti etesham. Iti etesham je uttarapade saptamyaha aluk bhavati. So pravrish plus me. So therefore you will have pravrishi. Saptamyaha aluk bhavati. So therefore pravrishi jaha. Pravrishi ja. Then supodhatu pratipadikayoho luk bhavati. But here it will not happen because aluk uttarapade. Therefore pravrishi. And ja is jayate iti jaha. Ja is from the dhatu. Ja is from the dhatu. Jan dhatu. Jayate iti jaha. So therefore pravrishi saptamyaha luk na bhavati. So therefore you have the form pravrishi jaha iti. Then similarly, so pravrishi, the vrish is from the dhatu vrishti. So the pravrish means rain, that which is born in the rainwater. So that is the meaning, or form in the season, the rainy season. So pravrishi jaha. Then you can add sup pratyaya because pratipadikam you can add, then you can decline that pravrishi jaha. Iti pratama vibhakti ekavachana. Pravrishi jaha. Here also, the last class we saw the dhatu is, okay, let me write this here. Dhatu is jan dhatu. Dhatu is originally jan dhatu. So jayate iti jaha. So it is a upapada, under upapada samasa it comes jayate, under upapada adhikara, not samasa. 3-2 section. Jayate iti jaha. Jan dhatu will take this janer daha. Janer daha, one sutram, last class we saw. We'll see that how this jan becomes ja. It's all not connected to the samasa, but still we can see janer daha. Saptamyam janer daha. You can see this is under Kridanta section 3-2. You will see this in Upapada samasa. That context also we will see, but here it is. You can just note Saptamyam. Here also Saptami. Saptamyaha. Look. Therefore, there's a connection. You can see the connection. Saptamyam janehe. Janehe referring to jandatu. That dhatoho da pratyaha bhavati. We'll just quickly see what it is. Saptamyanta upapade. And in our context, it is the purvapada. And saptamyaha aluk bhavati. In the samasa. So saptamyante upapade. When there is a saptamyantam upapadam is a purvapadam. The samasa, our context here. Janehe, jan dhatoho. Jan is the original dhatu. It is, that alone become jayate. Fourth kana. Shiti pare, jan dhatoho. Nya janor ja. That sutra, ja is the adesha. When saptamyanta upapadam is there, jan dhatu will take da pratyaya. Da pratyaya is, dakara is it letter. So ditva samatyat te lopaha bhavati. By that rule, what happens here is when there is saptamyanta upapadam, just write the how it becomes, what is a ditva samathyat, then with the samasa we'll see. Jayate iti jaha with the upapadam. For example, here, Sarasi, this example we saw, Sarasi Jayate, Sarasi in the pond, in the lake, which is born. Sarasi, this is the upapadam, which is Saptamyantam upapadam. Jayate, Sarasi Jayate iti jaha. Here, the Jandatu take da pratyaya. Saras plus me, it is Saptami. Sarasi plus me, Saptamyantam upapade. Jandatu will take da pratyaya. Will take da pratyaya. So it becomes Sarasi, Sarasi or Saras, whatever it is, Sarasi. Then here Dakara is with the letter. Ditva Samatyat, Te Lopaha Bhavati. Here Te is T. T letter is An. Tehe, Achontyadi T. Tehe Lopaha Bhavati. An will become Lopaha. Therefore, you will have Sarasi. Ditva Samatyat, Te Lopaha Bhavati. Then if you remove that, you will have Saptamyaha de Saptamyam Jane Daha iti Da Pratyaha Bhavati. What the Da Pratyaya will do is it will make the T of the Anga Lopa. So therefore you will have a Lopa Bhavati. When Te Lopaha Bhavati, so therefore you will have Sarasija, then you will get the last class we saw the same example. Under which context? Sarasi Jayate, Saroja, etc. In which context we saw?
But Kvachit Apravritti currently we
No.
gave some examples.
Same example.
Yeah. Kvachit Vibhasha. For Kvachit Vibhasha you gave this. Sarasi Jayate iti Sarasi.
Yes, exactly.
Kvachit Vibhasha.
Yeah, here itself it is Sarasi plus. Yeah. Saptamya Janehe Dha Da Pratyaya. Oh, yeah. Ditva Samatya Te Lopaha Bhavati. Jakara. Then after Jakara, we have to add the Anpratyaya. Ditva Samatya Te Lopaha. Then we add the Pratyaya. The Pratyaya is Anpratyaya. Anpratyaya you add, Akara will come, therefore Ja. So here itself it is Saptamyaha. Saptamyam Janehe Daha. By that, Janda to taking Da Pratyaya, Ditva Samatya Tehe Lopaha. Yes. Here it is there. So here it is Janda, Jan plus Da Pratyaya. Okay. Yes. So here itself anyway we can type again. Tehe Lopaha, then Jakara, then plus here. The Pratyaya A is so Ditva Samatya. So Akara plus I is equal to Sarasija. The last class only we saw the Sarasija. So same here, the Jan only. Here it is Upapadam is Saptamyanta Upapadam. There are Upapadam and it is a Samasa. Here it is the Saptamyaha Aluk Bhavati. Pravrish plus Ni plus Jan. So Jan Dhatu will take Da Pratyaya. I will add one more step here. Pravrish plus Ni plus Jan plus Da Pratyaya. So by this sutram, Pravrit Sharat Kala Divam Jehe, here Jandatu is the J. So that will take the Pratyaya Da. Pitva Samatya Tehe Lopaha Bhavati. So therefore you have Pravrishi Saptamyah aluk bhavati and Ditva Samatya te lopaha. So an will go away and content of the pratyaya is a. So you will have ja. So pravrishi ja. That gets a sanya supodhatu. That gets a sanya kritita samasa pratipadikam. So therefore pravrishi ja. Then you can add supratyaya. Pravrishija, then you can add Supratyaya, you can Pravrishijaha, Pravrishijo, can decline this. That which is born in the rainy season, Pravrishijaha. So this is a Upapada Samasa. So all these sutras are connected. In Upapada Samasa, Saptamyaha. When Saptami is there, you can connect with the Upapada section. And Jandatu is there, therefore, Upapada section, 3 to section. So there it is. When the Upapadam is Saptami Vibhakti, Tasyaha aluk bhavati. Similarly, then this is not required. Similarly, the other Shabda, Sharad. Sharad is Sharad Ritu. The same way. Sharad, Sharadi, Jayate. So the Vigraha would be Pravrishi Jaha. Here, the Vigraha would be Pravrishi Jayate. Pravrishi Jayate. Iti Pravrishi Jaha. Specifically for this Shabda, that is when Pravrit is the Upapadam, Purvapadam, this will happen. Pravrishi Jayate. Tadvateva Sharadijaha. Sharadi is in the Sharad Ritu. So here it is Sharad plus Ni plus Jan. Sharadi Jayate iti Sharadijaha. That which is born in the Sharad Ritu. We have Sharadija. Sharadijaha. So Sharadi Jayate iti Sharadijaha. I think I didn't explain this way when we did the first time. I just quickly gone through the website only. But you can note how it is. Only Kale. Kale Jaha would be, what is the Vigraha Vakya of Kale? Kale Jayate. In time. Kale Jayate iti Kale Jaha, not Kala Jaha. So when Kala is the Upapadam, here Upapadam is the Purvapadam, Samasa. Here Upapadam is the Purvapadam. So in the Purvapadam is Saptamyanta Shabda, followed by the Uttarapadam, which is Ja, therefore Upapada Samasa. Then Saptamyaha aluk bhavati. Kale Jayati iti Kale Jaha, not Kala Jaha. Similarly, Divi is Swargaloka, Divau. So Divi, not Divau, Divi only. Divi is Saptami. Divi Jayate. Div Shabda. Yoghu Divau Divaha. So Saptami Vibhakti of Div is Divi. Divi Jayate, which is born in the Swargaloka. Divi Jayate iti Divi Jaha. Only for this word, one Vyatireka Udaharana we can give. Sarasi Jayate Sarojha, there we have, it is Vibhasha. Please note. It is at the previous sutra we saw Kvachit Vibhasha. Tat Purushe Kriti Bagulam, when Kridanta Pada follows, Uttarapadam follows, Saptamyaha Aluk Vibhasha. So there we have Sarasi Jayate Sarasijam or Sarojam. But here there is no Vibhasha. You can note this rule, Pravrit Sharat Kala Divam. Here there is no Vibhasha. Here it is a must. Saptamyaha aluk eva bhavati, luk na bhavati. So the Vyatireka Udaharanam should be given, which is other than Saroja. So we can give like Andat jayate. Anda is egg. Andat jayate iti andajaha. Andat jayate iti andajaha. That which is born from the egg, andajaha. Okay, anyway, here it is not Saptami, or we can take some other example, like what example here itself is given?
Atmaja.
Atmaja, no, Atmani jayate. Here I take the example here from here this sutra, this sutra itself, Saptamyam Janirdaha, where Mandujaha, the word is given. Mandujaha. Mandu is stable. Stable. What is stable? That horse shed, stable. So, Saptami Bhakti of this is Mandau. Mandau Jayate. Mandau Jayate iti Mandujaha. Here Saptamyaha look bhavati. So, this is a counter example. Saptamyam look bhavati. And Sarasija has got two forms, with look, without look. Therefore, that cannot be given as Vitireka Udaranam. So, only for these four Shabdas, there is a sutra. Only for this four Shabda when followed by J, followed by Ja, Jayate iti Jaha. And there is another sutram subsequent to this, 6.3.16. There it gives, that gives optionality. Vibhasha, Varsha Kshara Shara Varat. Varsha Kshara Shara Varat. Vibhasha is optional, therefore, when followed by Ja coming as Anuvritti, when followed by the Jan Dhatu, Kradanta form of Jan Dhatu, then what happens is Vibhasha optionally Saptamyaha look bhavati. Vibhasha, Varsha, Kshara, Shara, Varat. Varsha, Kshara, Shara, Varat is Panchami Vibhakti. It is Panchami Vibhakti. Vibhasha, Vikalpena, when followed by Kridanta Rupa Jan, Kridanta form of Jan, then Tasyam, this for these words, Uttar, this Varsha Shara Kshara Shara Vara iti Shabdasya Shabdanam Uttarasya Saptamyaha J Uttarapade Aluk Vibhasha Bhavati. Optionally, it will be Aluk. So therefore, for these words, Varsha plus Ni, followed by this Jan, Jayate iti Jan, Janirdaha. So followed by Jan, the Ni will be, that is Saptami Vibhakti will be Vikalpena Vibhasha Luk Bhavati. So therefore, you will have two forms. By look, Supodhatu Pratipadiki of a look, that is the general Utsarga Sutra. By making look, you will have Varshaja, then you can add Su. You will have Varshajaha, Varshajo, Varshajaha iti. By making a look, you will have the form. What is the form you will have if you don't make it look? If you make it aluk, Varsha plus Ni is, Varsha plus Ni will be Varshe. It is like Rama Shabda. So it be Varshe. Varshe Jayate iti Varshajaha. So Vibhasha for this Shabda. Similarly, Kshara. So you have two forms. Shara, that all there also it becomes Share Jayate iti Sharajaha. Sharajaha or Sharejaha. So Sharajaha is one form, another form is Sharejaha. Then Shara, Share Jayate iti Sharajaha or Sharejaha. Similarly, Vare Jayate iti Varajaha or Varejaha. So here, Varshe Jayate is that which is born in the rainy season. Sharajaha is given the meaning from the dictionary, you can see that which is born, produced by the Shara, say the distillation, by distillation which is born. And Sharaja is the Sharad Rutu. Share Jayate iti Sharajaha. The last one is Varaja. What is the meaning of Vara? Vara, we can take the meaning as the Varat or Vare Jayate, born.
Boon.
Full also is there. Meaning is
Boon. It's Varam.
Vare Jayate. You can say, yeah, boon. Boon is a Varam. Tritiyam Varam Raneshva. So Vara is boon. And one more meaning is that bridegroom. Okay, that is meaning also is given. So meaning is possible. In what meaning it comes? You have to see. Meaning is not given here. Maybe in the commentaries you can see with it. Ebhyaha saptamyaha aluk bhavati je pare. Shesha purnena. Okay. So Vara, you can take it as a boon or you can take it as a bridegroom. But what it really means, we don't know. Meaning is not given. Anyway, for these 4 words, you can note. If meaning is there, if I find out, I tell you what is exactly the meaning is. So this is for the 4 words. Varsha, Kshara, Sharavatu. So we have optional aluk. Therefore, Sharajaha or Sharejaha. Similarly, Varajaha or Varejaha. Okay, this is Sutra number 6360. Okay, next one. Next Sutra is 6317. 6317, the Sutra says, you can see, Gha Kala Taneshu Kala Namnaha. Gha is Sanya. Tarap Tamapo Gha. This Tarap Pratyaya, Tamap Pratyaya, comparative, superlative, Gugyatama, Gugyatara, Sreshtatara, Sreshtatama, Tasya Nama Eva, Gha, Tarap Tamapo Gha. Sutram is that. See, just Sanya only can see. Tarap Tamapo Gha. Gha Sanya, Gi Sanya. There are so many Sanyas are there. So Tarap and Tamapo. Tarap and Tamap get the Sanya. Gha. Tarap Tamapo Gha iti. This is Sanya Sutra. So that Gha Sanyaka Shabda. Gha. Gha. Then the word denoting the Kala. Then Tana. Tana is a the Pratyaya. Taneshu. Kala Namnaha. So Gha Kala Taneshu. Gha Kala Taneshu. गासंज्ञके प्रत्यये परे, that is tarap tamapo pratyeye pare. Then kala shabde pare, when there is a kala word indicating time, then tana pratyaya. That tana is there, that kaschana, not sorry, tana, sanatana, puratana, that is a tana pratyaya. It's a tadita word. You get a tadita form by the tana pratyaya. It's covered in tadita adhikara. So tana pratyaya pare. परतः कालनाम्नः उत्तरस्याः सप्तम्याः विभाषा कालनाम्नः. So kalanamnah, when the kalavachi shabda is followed by, when kalanamnah uttarasyaha saptamyaha vibhasha aluk bhavati. So vibhasha coming as anuvritti from the previous sutram, 16th sutram, for this sutram, 17th. Vibhasha aluk bhavati. So therefore, you can see here, purvanne tare or purvanne tare. पूर्वन्ने तरे और पूर्वान्न तरे. So tara pratyaya. Similarly, पूर्वान्ने तमे or पूर्वान्न तमे. Here also it must be पूर्वान्न. Okay, not पूर्वान्न, पूर्वान्न. It's maybe a typo. पूर्वान्ने तरे or पूर्वान्न तरे. पूर्वान्ने तमे or पूर्वान्न तमे. Similarly, कालवाची शब्द पूर्वान्ने काले और पूर्वान्न काले. Then tana shabda पूर्वान्ने तने और पूर्वान्न तने इति tana pratyaya. When this ka संज्ञक प्रत्यय काल शब्द तन प्रत्यय परतः कालनाम्नः उत्तरस्याः विभाषा अलुक् भवति. तत् सप्तम्याः अलुक् भवति विकल्पेन. So पूर्वान्ने is saptami. So in all these example, पूर्वान्ने is saptami. That kalavachi shabda. So tasya saptamyaha aluk bhavati. When followed by the gasanyaka pratyaya, that is taratamap kala shabda, the very word kala, then tana pratyaya. For this sutram is you can see here, the saptami vibhakti is optionally retained, optionally aluk bhavati when denoting time in a denoting a time when followed by the tarap or tama or kala or tana pratyaya. The tarat tama pratyaya are 1122. That is what I saw now. Tarat tamapo gha sanya. The tara and tama are the pratyas. The pratyas are given the sanya gha, and it is in the first section. Don't look for the sutra in the third chapter. You will not get tara and tama. These are given this sanya sutram. Tarat tamapo gha in the first chapter, first section itself. It is there. So example, purvan here. Purvana tare is purvana. Both are purvana only. Purvana is wrong. Purvana. This how the samasa comes, we will see that later. So just note this. So when taratama pratyaya, then kalavachi shabda follows. Tana pratyaya follows. Then saptamyaha aluk bhavati vikalpena. That's what the Kashikakara says here. Then Nyasa Patamadi Siddhanta Kaumadi Saptamyaha Vibhasha aluk syat. Simple vritti. Saptamyaha aluk bhavati vikalpena. Ghe pare, ghe. When followed by ghe. Ghe is ga sanyaka. That is saptami of ga. Example, purvanatare, etc. Then kale pare, atane pare. Okay, only this much is here, so you can note that. I will add this. Sorry?
Huh? What is the meaning for those words?
Purvana is forenoon. Anna means day. Ahan shabda. So that's why purva plus ahan itself is samasa. That I will see that later. So purvana is forenoon. Parana is that's after. Then madhyana is, we say madhyanikam. Madhyanikam is sadita. So ahan purva plus ahan. Purvana. Forenoon. Purvana kale. Purvana tame. Purvana tana kale. Purvana tana we saw in the Asha Pravesha, Purvana, the Tana, Purvana Tana, Purat, that is, Tana is the Pratyaya, Chatati the Pratyaya. So Puratana, Purvanata, Tana or Purvana. Here also typo is Purvanatana. Sorry, Taraptama Pe. Okay, Saptamyaha look the word. Yes, it's correct only. Okay, Purvanatane or Purvanatana. So it is four noon. That's the meaning. Okay, Purvana means four noon. And whatever the pratyaya, the meaning of the pratyaya is, that is conveyed. For example, Tara is comparative, Tama is superlative. So that meaning is given. So Purvana Tara is it is the shows the comparative degree of the Purvana Tara, Purvana Tama. It is the what do you say? What do you translate? Purvana Tama. Guhyatama means most secret. The Purvana Tama is maybe that it is
Maybe when we say the
time
night is evening is longer than the day, so that
Purvana Tama in that meaning, or the end of the Purvana, the Purvana Tama. So it shows some comparison, right? When there is a comparison, then the Taratama. Counter example, he says, why Kalanamnaha? Because Shukla Tare, here there is no Saptamyaha. Look, Vibhasha, Shukla is white. It is whiter. Shukla Tara is whiter. Shuklatama is whitest. Shuklatama is whitest. Ratri Tarayam, Ratri Tara, nighter. Nighter in the sense it is dark, very dark. Ratri Tara. Then it is Srilinga, therefore Ratri Tarayam. So here Shukla Tara, you understand whiter, right? Similarly, you have to understand Purvana Tare. What meaning it comes, you have to check the context. Okay, meaning is not given. Yes, maybe in their commentaries, let us see whether there are no commentaries is there. Only Panorama. Atishayane Tarap. Okay. They are also not given. Here also not given. Anyway, you can note this. Whatever the meaning, it comes by the addition of this pratyaya. That meaning you take it. How to say it? I don't know. Like Shukla Tara, Shukla Tama. We cannot say yes. What is Purvana Tara? Tara is year. That is the greater. It is comparative. So Purvana Tara. What is the English word for that? Difficult to translate. So let me check. Purvana Tana is given related to the forenoon. You can see the dictionary. That Purvana Tara. But Purvana Tara Tama, not known. Okay, it is how to explain, it's difficult. Purvana Tana is given. Puratana, we say Puratana is that which belongs to the past. Puratana, Sanatana, which belongs to the tradition, Sanatana. But Purvana Tara, Purvana Tama, if I come across, I tell you what it is. Okay. Now you take as it is, whatever it is. The next sutra will go. Next sutra is after this. This is only for this Shabda. Okay. This Gha Kala Taneshu. It is here you can note this. Kala Namnaha is a Panchami. Therefore, Kala Namna must be the Purvapadam. In this example, all the example, Purvana is denoting the Kala, so which is a Purvapadam. So, Purvapadam followed by Gasanyake Kala Shabde Tanaprate Parataha Kala Namnaha Uttarasyaha. So, Purva Padasya Saptamyaha vibhasha aluk bhavati. Therefore, purvana, purvanit. When followed by this shabda. Here also, shuklatara, shuklatara. Here also it is giving everything in Saptami, but anyway. Okay, the next sutra will go. Next sutra says, Shaya Vasa Vasishva Kalat. Shaya Vasa Vasishva Kalat. Vasishu Kalat. Shaya Vasa Vasishu Saptami Akalat. Akalat Panchami. So, Akalat is Na Kalaha Akalaha. Meaning, it is different from it has to be different from the Kalavachaka Shabda. So, different from the Kalavachaka Shabda, Shaya Vasin, the Saptami Vibhakti, Shaya Vasa Vasishu, Uttarapadeshu, then this Kalabinna Shabda is Saptami Vibhakti will be Aluk. Saptami Vibhakti will be Aluk. Shaya Vasa Vasineshu iti eteshu Uttarapadeshu. When these are the words, following words, Shaya Vasa Vasi, then Uttarapada is Kala, except Kalavachi. Not a Kalavachi, because Kalavachi already covered in the previous sutra. The previous sutra Kalavachi is covered. Therefore, Akalavachinaha, that is Purvapadam is not a Kalavachi, not a Shabda denoting the Kala. Tasyaha, Uttarasyaha, Saptamyaha, Aluk Bhavati. Purvapadasya, Saptami Vibhakti will be Aluk when followed by the Uttarapada, which is Shaya, Vasa, Vasi. Ke, Shayaha, Kashayaha, simple. Ke meaning Akasha. Ke Shayahat, Shayate, Ke Shete, not Shayate, Ke Shete, Akashe Shete. Ke Shayaha, Vibhasha, look, therefore, Kashayaha, we will write to the sutra. Sutra. Shaya, Vasa, then Vasishu, Vasishva Kalat, 6:3:18. A copy from the Kashika. The example I will explain. Shaya Vasa Vasi iti eteshu. Shaya Vasa Vasi iti eteshu. Why Vasini? Vasi. Okay, Vasin. We're taking Vasin. Vasaha asya asti iti Vasin. Therefore, Vasini. We can take it as Vasin, Vasini, Vasini eteshu. Vasin is Vasaha asya asti iti Vasin iti Nini Pratyaya. That is Uttarapada. Uttarapadeshu. Akalavachinaha, which is the Purapada. Purapada, which is not a Kalavachi Shabda, Tasyaha, Uttarasyaha, Saptamyaha, Vibhasha, Aluk Bhavati. Udaranam, Keshayaha. Ke is Akasha. One example with Alokika Vigraha, I will write. Ka plus Ni. Ka plus Ni. Here Ka is not a Kalavachi, which is followed by the Uttarapada, Shayaha. So therefore, Akala Vachinaha, Uttarasya, Saptamyaha will be it will be what? It will be vikalpena aluk bhavati. Therefore, ka plus ni. Ka is akasha. It's like Rama Shabda K. And K Shaya. So you have K Shaya. This is one form. Adding su, you will have Keshayaha, Keshayo, Keshayaha iti rupam. And if you do look, you will have Kashaya. The vigraha of this would be both. Would be K Akashe Shete iti Keshayaha. They are also same vigraha would be Keshayate. Only thing is here it is look. So vibhasha look. Now here you can note here Saptami Vibhakti. The Saptami Vibhakti is Saptamyaha look. Why Saptamyaha look only when followed by Shaya? Shaya meaning it is from the dhatu, sheing dhatu. Shete, Shayate, Sherate. It means sleeping. Now it is connected to the Saptami. Adhikarane Shetehe. The Upapada, all connected to this Upapada. Adhikarane Shetehe. Here Shetehe. Shetehe is the Shayana Kriya. Here Shetehe denoting the dhatu, Shi dhatu. Shi dhatu ho dhatu nirdesha. She plus Stip Prataya. You will have she plus Stip Prataya. You will have. Okay, I will show you what is Shetehe. Shetehe means what? Shetehe is a dhatu nirdesha. Represents the dhatu. See, dhatu is Shing dhatu. Which gana is a Shing dhatu? Shing dhatu is Atmanepadi. By the Ita letter you can note it. Anudhatangitaha Atmanepada. So Latlakara Rupam would be Shete, Shayate, Sherate. It is second gana. Now, to denote the dhatu, we add the dhatu, we add the pratyaya, ikshtipo dhatu nirdeshaha, we know. Here, if you add shtip pratyaya, she plus shtip will become, being a shtip pratyaya, it will cause guna, so she will become she plus ti, that is the word, sheti, and shetehe, ikaranta shabda, like Ari shabda, referring to the dhatu, she dhatu. Understand? Dhatu nirdesha, this is. Dhatu nirdesha, I think you know it already, we have seen. All of you understand what is this? Shetehe, dhatu nirdesha.
Yes, yes.
So she plus tip. You can add ik or stip. There is a choice. Sometimes the Bhashyakara, Sutrakara, by adding ik pratyaya, you will denote the dhatu. These pratyas are used to denote the dhatu. So to denote the dhatu, shetehe means for the dhatu, she dhatu. So adhikarane shetehe, dhatu nirdesha shetehe is. For the when Panchami shetehe. So adhikarane shetehe, and it is 3-2 section. 3-2 section is Upapada section, Upapada Samasa. So all these are coming as Anuvrutti, Karmani, Anupasarge, Supi, etc. Now here you can see Adhikarane Shetehe Dhatoho Adhikarane Subanta Upapade Ach Pratyaya Bhavati. So when there is a Upapadam, and the Upapadam is Adhikarana Subantam, Adhikarana Upapadam, that is the place where the Shayana Kriya happens. That is the Upapadam, Adhikarana. Adhikarane Upapade Shedatoho. With the She Dhatu, that is why it is Saptami. Shedatoho Ach Pratyaya Bhavati. Ach is the Krit Pratyaya. So Keshete, here itself is given. Keshete iti Kashayaha. K Akashe Shete. K is the Adhikarana for the Shayana Kriya. Therefore, Adhikarane. Adhikarane meaning Saptami ityartaha. Saptami. Adhikarana is Saptami Bhakti. So, K, which is a Upapada, Adhikarana Upapada, when it is Adhikarana Upapada as the followed by the Dhatu, शिंग धातु तस्याः अच् प्रत्ययः तस्य अच् प्रत्ययः भवति. अच् इस् द कृत् प्रत्यय. So like kumbham karoti kumbhakarah. Similarly here, that kumbham karoti kumbhakarah, kumbha is karma. Here it is adhikarana. That is the difference. Here it is adhikarana. Therefore, by that, in fact, here shaya is one more step going further forward. I am saying she plus the pratyaya is ach pratyaya. Shayaha you get by ach pratyaya. She ka plus ni, she plus ach. This she plus ach comes by the sutram adhikarane shetehe. When there is adhikarana upapada, she dhatu will take ach pratyaya. Shetehe dhatoho ach krit pratyaya bhavati. So she plus ach, what will happen? Ach being a ardha dhatuka pratyaya, she will undergo guna, therefore she will become she plus a. Ayadi sandhi, shayaha, that is how we get shayaha. So ka plus ni, then she will become she plus a, then do ayadi sandhi, we get shaya. So ka plus ni is ke, she plus a is shaya, therefore ke shaya plus to ke shayaha, which is equal to akashe, that is the vigraha vakya, shete iti. Can you follow any doubt in this?
हाँ जी, clear जी.
So you can note, maybe I will write here as a side note, अधिकरणे शेतेः, अधिकरणे शेतेः इति सूत्रेण अधिकरणे शेतेः, number is 3 to 15. सूत्रेण अच् प्रत्ययः भवति. I just write like this. I will elaborate this later. अधिकरणे शेतेः इति सूत्रेण शी धातोः अच् प्रत्ययः भवति. कदा? When there is a अधिकरणवाची सुबन्त उपपदा. Therefore, subanta upapada शी dhatu, it is samasa, upapada samasa. Keshayaha is upapada samasa. Upapada samasa we have not seen. We are going to see upapadam thing. There also we will discuss the same thing, maybe different example. So here the point is aluk bhavati. That is saptamyaha aluk. Therefore keshayaha or kashayaha. Similarly, the next example. Grame vasaha or grame vasaha is grame vasaha. Vasaha is from the vasdhatu. Vasaha, that is vasdhatu, with gai pratyaya bhave gai you can take grame vasaha or grama vasaha. There also, okay, there it is vasaha. Vasaha, you can take it vasaha, grame vasaha. Okay, I will write here. Grame vasaha, referring to the person who lives in the grama, in the village. Grame vasaha yasya saha. Grame vasi, that we will do later. Here you can take grame vasa. This example. This is grame vasaha yasya saha. So this is a Bahurigi samasa. In the Bahurigi samasa, vigrahavakyam given, the one who lives in the grama. So grame vasaha yasya saha grama vasaha. So Bahurigi samasa. There Purapadam is grame and Uttarapadam is vasaha, vasa plus su. Is Anyapada Pradhana, denoting the person. So Purva Padasya Saptamyaha look bhavati. Vikalpena. Therefore you will have Grama Vasa then plus su, Grama Vasaha or Grame Vasaha. Two form. This is This word is Bahuvri Samasa. You can note. Grame Vasaha, Yasya Saha. This is a Bahuvri Samasa. Previous example, what we saw for this is Upapada Samasa. But this is Bahuvri Samasa. So when we see this example, you have to understand. Bahuvri Samase Vishaye. Then what happens when this Grama, then Vasa is the Uttarapada, Purvapadasya Saptamyaha Taluk Bhavati. Vikalpena. So Gramavasa, Gramevasaha. Nagare Vasaha, same. Nagare Vasaha Yasya Saha. Vasaha is Babe Ghai. Okay, that aside note. Dhatu is Vasdhatu. Then take it as Ghai Pratyaya. Ghai is a Krut Pratyaya. Akaratari Chakarake Sanyayam Bhavecha. The living just denote the action. Action, pure action. The living action. So Vas plus Ghai become, because it is a Nyat. So Vas will become Vas. Content of Ghai is A. Therefore Vasa. Then Vasa plus Su if you had Vasaha. Vasaha means living. It is denotes the action. Just action. This Ghai Pratyaya here by Bhave Ghai. This is, you will see that this is important sutram Bhave Ghai. Or Akaratari Chakaraka Sanyayam, that is also, you can say. In other Karaka, not in the sense of Karta, except Karta. Vasati, Asminiti, Vasaha. But that I don't take it here. Why? Because Grama, the word is there only he lives. So therefore, I take it as Bhave Ghai. But the possibility is interpretation. Vasati Asminiti Vasaha. Vasati Asminiti. In that, he who lives. Vasati. That referring to the Adhikara, the place of residence. Vasaha. Vasasthalam, we say. The place where one lives. Vasati Asminiti Vasaha. Or Bhave Ghai, just Baba. That's just the Dhatvartha, the act, the meaning of the Kriya, the verb. So living, living. Or livelihood, living. Living is better. So Grame Vasati iti Gramavasaha, Nagare Vasati iti Nagaravasaha, Nagare Vasaha, anything. Parvate Vasati iti Parvatavasaha, Parvate Vasaha. So when Vasa is Uttarapada, Purvapadasya, Saptamyaha, Paluk Bhavati. This is the example. So therefore, here the example here it is Bahuvri Samasa. Now the next word is here, the sutra is Shaya, we have seen, Vasa is done, then Vasi. Vasin. In fact, it is Vasin. Here also you can see Shaya Vasa Vasishu. The sutram Shaya Vasa Vasishu. Vasishu is Saptami Vibhakti. Shaya Vasa Vasishu. Vasishu Akalat. Shaya Vasa Vasishu Akalat. Excepting the Kala. Akala Vachinaha is the Purvapada. Tasyaha Saptamyaha. When the Purvapada not denoting the time. And the Uttarapada is Shaya Vasa Vasishu. Here you can see. Here also it is Itaretara Danda Samasa. Together it is in Saptami Vibhakti. Shayascha, Vasascha. Here Vasicha. Here Vasicha. I'll just explain how it is, how the form comes. It's the Itaretara Danda Samasa. Shayaha cha, Vasaha cha. Then Vasi cha. What is Vasi? How we get Vasi? What vibhakti? All this Shayaha, Vasaha. Nitretara Dvanda Samasa. What vibhakti would be the padam?
Pratama.
Pratama vibhakti, right? Ramascha Lakshmanascha Rama Lakshmano. Ramaha Lakshmana. What vibhakti? Pratama vibhakti. Ramascha Lakshmanascha Rama Lakshmano. Suppose if you want to say Saptami, then you say Rama Lakshmana Yogo. Or Saptami Rama Lakshmana Yogo. Or Panchami Rama Lakshmana Abhyam. Like that. Similarly here also. Shayaha, Vasaha, Vasicha. So, all these together form a Sama Vitreda Dandva. Then in Saptami Vibhakti will be Shaya Vasa Vasishu. Now, you take here Shayaha plus Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam is Su. Similarly, Vasaha plus Prathama Vibhakti. I'm just explaining the Sutra itself. There itself, the Samasa is there. Iterator of the Samasa. What is the Pratipadikam of Vasi? It is
Vasin.
Vasin. That is why here in the Kashika Vrti, it says Vasin iti eteshu. Why Nakara is there? Because it is a Pratipadikam Vasin. Vasin plus Su. Vasaha Asya Asti iti. It is a Tadita Pratyaya. Vasaha Asya Asti. Karaha Asya Asti iti Karin. Dhanam Asya Asti iti Dhanin. Similarly, here Nini Pratyaya. Nini. I will talk about that in a little later. Nini Pratyaya is Vasaha Asya Asti iti Vasin. Now whole thing is Samasa. What Samasa? Iteretra Dvanda Samasa. Supodhatu Pratipadika Yogo. Look, then remove Su. So Shaya, Vasa, Su goes away. Then Vasin. Here also Su goes away. Now what will happen to Nakara? You know it. Nakara will be what?
Lopaha.
Nalopa Pratipadikantasiya. This is a Padam as well as a Pratipadikam. So Pratipadikantasiya Padasya Nakarasya Lopaka Bhavati. So Shaya Vasa Vasi. Tasmin Shaya Vasa Vasishu. Right? Understand? So that is what you have here. Vasishu. Iterator Nanda Samasa. Is it clear?
Yes, Ji.
Simple iterator
Yes,
Nanda
Ji.
Samasa. Shayascha Vasascha Vasicha. Vasi is Vasinna. So therefore, when you drop the Supratyas, then a Pratipadika. So you will have Vasin. Vasin is like Rajan. That's what happened in the Samasa also of the Rajapurushaha. What happens in Rajapurushaha? Rajan, Rajyaha Purushaha, Rajapurushaha, Rajyan plus Nas, right? Plus Purushaha plus Su. So here what happens? Samasa, Shashti Tat Purusha Samasa. There it is Shashti Tat Purusha, here it is Itreta Tattva. Here you drop the Supadhatu Pratipadika Yoga. Look. So Rajan Purusha. What will happen to Nakara? This is Nalopaha Pratipadikanta. Nakara goes away. Therefore Raja Purusha. Raja Purusha is a Pratipadikam. Similarly, Shaya Vasa Vasi is a Pratipadikam. Saptamyaha of that will be. This will be Bhagavachanam. Why? Because three words are there. Therefore Shaya Vasa Vasi Shu will be. Okay. So Raja Purusha like that. Now here, this Vasin is by the Nini Pratyaya. There is a Tachila, Tat Dharma, Tat Sadhukarishu. You will see that this under Krit section is the Nini Pratyaya. Nini content is Nini is, you have to note, Nini is not a Tadita Pratyaya. It is a content is in, it is a Krit Pratyaya. Okay. Tadita also it is there, but it is different. Here it is, in Tadita we have Ini Pratyaya. Matu Prate Ini. Asya Asti Iti Tasmin Arte. We have this Ini Pratyaya. So here it is Nini Pratyaya. That is Vasishtum Sheelam Asya. In that meaning, Nini Pratyaya is used. This is all extra information you take as much as possible. And we will see it again later when we see Kridanta. Here Nini Pratyaya is a Krit Pratyaya. So the Vigraha would be Vasitum. It will be Nini Pratyaya Vasitum. Type something inside, come something. Vasitum Sheelam Yasya. You will have Vasdhatu plus Nini Pratyaya. So what you get is a Pratipadikam, Tripatita Samasasya Pratipadikam, because the Pratyaya is Nini, Nakara is with the letter, so Upadhadirgatam, so Vas plus in, you will have Vasin. So Vasin you can decline. Vasi, Vasino, Vasinaha, Nakaranta Shabda, like what Shabda? Can connect with Ashtadhyaya Pravesha. Huh?
Gunin.
Like Gunin Shabda, Karin Shabda, Kari, Karinav, Kariyaha. So Karin Shabda is Ini, Tadita. Here it is. See, just for your understanding and I give as contrast with Tadita. See, Karin Shabda or Dhanin Shabda, they are the words are formed by the Tadita Pratyaya. So therefore Tadita and the Shabdas. What is the Vigraha of Karin? Karaha Asya Asti. So the in Pratyaya is added to Kara. So Kara is the Dhatu or Shabda. So Kara is meaning and, is a Dhatu or a Shabda?
Shabda. Shabda.
Tadita Pratyayas are added to Pratipadikam. Krit Pratyayas are added to Dhatu to get a Pratipadikam. So Tadita Pratyayas are added to Pratipadikam to get another Pratipadikam. Krit Pratyayas are added to Dhatus to get a Pratipadikam, right? Both are anyway Kritadita Samasasya Pratipadikam. But the difference is Tadita Pratyayas are added to the Pratipadikam. So Karaha Asya Asti. You can see the Vigraha itself, from that you can make it. That is why here the Vigraha is different. Vasitum Sheelam. Even though the content of both the Pratyayas, Ini Pratyaya, and here in the case of the Tadita, it is Ini Pratyaya, content is same in, but Vigraha is different. Here Karaha Asya Asti. So Kara plus in Tadita Pratyaya, and the Pratyaya beginning with Ikara, therefore what will happen is Akara of the Anga will go away. By what sutra? I told sometime before. STA teacher. If you don't know about, leave it, don't know, you will see that later. This is Tadita Sutra, STA teacher. When followed by the Pratyaya beginning with STA teacher, it is actually STA teacher is
E plus who is ya?
STA teacher. Yakara is Akara plus Ikara, then followed by the Tadita Pratyaya. That is all kind of Ikara is there or Tadita. Okay, anyway, here it is followed by the Tadita Pratyaya. You have to take it as Tadita Pratyaya. STA teacher, that is Sutra. Okay, let's see that. This is a very important Sutra. Some of the Sutrams are very important. STA teacher. Ya is Ikara plus Akara. That is Ikara plus Akara, Ikaranta Anga or Akaranta Anga. Tasya. When followed by E. When followed by E. So, Yasya is a Shashti Bhakti, which denotes Ya is Ikara plus Akara. E plus A will become Ya, right?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
Shashti Bhakti of that is like
Yes.
Marut Shabda. Ikara plus Akara is Yakara. Yakara Shashti Bhakti Rupam, like Marut Shabda is like not like Marut Shabda. You have to take it as Rama Shabda. Ikara plus Akara is Ya, because Ya is it's Ajanta. So take like Rama Shabda. Ramasya Yasya. So Yasya, the word denotes the Ikaranta, Akaranta, Pratipadikam. When followed by E, Ikara or Chakarat, Tadita also comes as Anuvritti from the previous sutra. So when followed by Tadita Pratyaya, that alone you take E, you leave it. That is not required in our case here. Yasya Tadite means Akaranta Shabda, Ikaranta Shabda, followed by a Tadita Pratyaya. Tadita Pratyayas are added to Pratipadikam to get another Pratipadikam. Therefore, the Tadita Pratyaya, when you add this to Akaranta, Ikaranta Shabda, then Basya Angasya, that Anga which has a Basagya, it means the Tadita Pratyaya must be beginning with either Yakaradi or Ajadi, right? Then only the Anga will get Basagya.
Yes, yes.
So therefore, Basanyakasya Angasya, Avarnasya, Ivarnasya cha, Tadita Pratyaya pare, Lopaha Bhavati. So Angasya, Akarasya, or Ikarasya, Lopaha Bhavati. Anga enjoying the Sanya, Bhasanya, Tasya, Akaraha or Ikaraha, when followed by Tadita Pratyaya, will become Lopa. Very important sutram. We use it frequently. Here you can see how the word comes. Here, in is a Tadita Pratyaya, following the Anga, which is Akaranta Anga, therefore Akarasya Lopaha Bhavati. Lopam Kurutva, you have Karin. So Nakaranta Shabda, Kari, Karinav, Karinaha, you can decline. Saucha by that sutram, Pratama Vibhakti Ekvachana Rupam, we know Nakaranta Shabda, Dirghatam happen, right? Saucha. Similarly, Dhanin, Dhanaha Asya Asti iti Dhanin. These are Tadita Pratyayas. Oh. coming back here. Here Nini Pratyaya is, here it is Krit Pratyaya, added to Dhatu. So here in the sense of Sheelam, Tad Dharma, that we will see that Tat Sheela, Tad Dharma, Tat Sadhukarishu. The one who is Sabhava is, to denote the Sabhava of the person. Sabhava is like that, or is good at doing it, or it is Sheila is skilled expert in those meaning. Nini Pratyaya is added to Dhatu. Tat Sheila, Tat Dharma, Tat Sadhukar. For example, here in the Gita itself we saw Tattvadarshinaha. Tattvadarshinaha. What is Darshinaha? Darshin Shabda. Drashtum Sheelam Yasya. Who has the ability to see through. Drashtum Sheelam. He has got the Sheila. He has got the capacity. He has got the skill to see. What Tattvam? Tattvam Drashtum Sheelam Yasya Tattva Darshinaha. Here we don't say it is Nini Pratyaya. Sorry, Ini Pratyaya. This is not a Tadita. This is Krudanta word. Drashtum Sheelam. From the Drish Dhatu you get Darshinaha. Dhatu is Drish Dhatu. Drish Dhatu with Nini Pratyaya. Upada is Rasopada, therefore becomes become Dar. Darsh. Then the content of Nini is in. So you will have Darshin. So Darshi, Darshino, Darshinaha. Darshinam, Darshino, Darshinaha. So here Darshinaha is Bhagavachanam. He is capable of seeing, see through Tattvam. So Tattvam Drashtum Sheelam Yasya Tattvadarshi, Tattvadarshinav, Tattvadarshinaha iti Rupam. Okay. Similarly, Vasitum Sheelam Yasya becomes Vasin. Therefore, Vasi, Vasino, Vasinaha. So here it is the Kridanta. This is the Kridanta. Krit Pratyaya Kridanta. Just showing the distinction between Taditanta word and Kridanta. Okay. All these are extra. Here, for context, it is always not required. I take it for granted. This is no. So I delete this. Now, coming back to the sutra, here, Vasin. To explain Vasin, only I brought in all these things. So Vasin, Vasaha asya asti iti Vasin. Now you see that word. Grame. What would be the Vigraha Vakya? Grame Vasi. Grama Vasi. Grame Vasi is Vigraha would be
Grame Vasati.
not Vasati. Grame.
Vasaha. Vasaha. Same Vasaha.
Grame Vasitum Sheelam Yasya.
Sheelam.
That's what I explained now, right?
Yeah.
Tattvam Drashtum Sheelam Yasya. Grame Vasitum Sheelam Yasya. Okay. So by this is also by Upapada Samasa, it becomes Upapadamatting by that becomes Upapada Samasa. Grame Vasitum Sheelam Yasya. Saha is, don't think it is Bhagavrik Samasa. Okay, this is Upapada Samasa. Grame Vasi. Because here that Vasitum, here it is Vasin. Vasin is the word follows. Therefore, Saptamyaha Aluk Vikalpene. Therefore, Gramavasi or Grame Vasi. Gramavasi or Grame Vasi. Now, I will write the Vigraha for Alokika Vigraha for this. How you get Grama plus Nye, then here it is Vasin. Vasin plus Su. Whole thing is a Pradipadikam. Supodata Pradipadika Yogo Luk Bhavati. But here Vikalpa is a, so therefore Vikalpena, if you do Vikalpena Aluk, so you'll do both. So it becomes Grame, Vasin plus Su is, becomes Vasi. Then Su, you will have Grame Vasi.
Grama plus Ni should be there.
Grama plus Vasi. Huh?
Grama plus Ni.
Sorry, Ni only. Okay, sorry. Grama plus Ni. So Grame plus Vasin plus Su. Here Vasin is the Uttarapada, which is a Kridanta. That for that only the Vigraha is given. Vasitum Sheelam Yasya. So you will have Grame Vasi or Grama Vasi. Both are possible. By this sutram, that is Shayavasa Vasishu Akalat. Akalat is a nunch. It's a nunch. It is Paryudasa or Pratisheda. Nunch is right. What is Akala? Na Kalaha, Akalaha.
Yeah,
What negation is it? Is it Paryudasa or Pratisheda?
Paryudasa.
Very good. It is Paryudasa. There should be some word, right? You cannot say nothing is there. No, it is Paryudasa. Paryudasa Pratished. Paryudasa Pratished. It's negation. The Nanji type is Paryudasa. So, and Panchani, Tasmat, Akalat. Okay. So, Grame Vasi and Gramavasi. Let me. This. Whatever I type in the class, only that I don't do after that. I have to do a lot of work, is to rework on this document. When I do, I will send you. I'm not done before also. It's all pending. Okay, so this is one. Then here for this sutra, there's a Vartikam. See, while covering this Alukutra Pada, we are touching the different topics, Upapadam, Upapada Samasa, etc. So the context is that's why we cover, and we will discuss those elaborately later. Now there's a Vartika here for this sutra. Shayavasa Vasishu Kalat Apo Yoni Yen Matushu. That is a Vartika. What is Apa? What is Apo? Apaha. Water, right? Up Shabda. Up is Apaha, Nitya Bhagavachanam, right? Apaha. Apaha. Apo Yoniyan Matusu Saptamyaha Aluk Vaktavyaha. This is the Vartika. See, Vaktavyaha will be there, like the sentence would be. When it is there in Kashika Vrata, you have to understand it is a Vartika. This should be told. Upasankyanam or Vaktavyaha. When such words you find, you can understand it is a Vartika. Vaktavyaha should be told. Upasankyanam should be mentioned. It should be enumerated. So, Vartika. That which is not told by Pani Maharshi, Anuktam or Duruktam, the Vartikara will tell that. So, Vartikam. So, Apo, Apaha, it is Panchami. Apaha, Pare, I mean, following the Apa Shabda, what Saptami is, Saptamyaha, Aluk Bhavati. Kada Aluk Bhavati, when it is followed by Yoni, Yoni is a Uttarapadam. In the Samasa, it is Uttarapadam. Aluk will happen for the Vibhakti only. Aluk is for the Vibhakti. That Vibhakti, which Vibhakti? Purva Padasya, Uttarasya, Saptamyaha, Aluk Bhavati. And here Purva Padam is Apaha. Up Shabda is a Purva Padam. And Uttara Padam is Yoni. Yoni, or the words are given. In the Uttara Padam, Yoni, Yat, then Matu is Matu Pratyaya. So in the Uttara Padam are the words Yoni or the words ending with the Pratyayas, Yat Pratyaya or Matu Pratyaya. Here also it is Tareta Danda Samasa. Yonischa or Yat is Yat Anta Shabdaha, Matup is Matupanta Shabdaha. That is Tadita Pratyaya. So Yat Anta Shabdaha, Matupanta Shabdaha. Pratyaya Gragane, Tadanta Graganam. That's a paribhasha. So here we say, not only here, even previously also. Previously also we talked about just about the Pratyaya only, where Tara Tamap Tana, the Sutra, where is that? Purvana? Here. Tarat Tamap. Okay, that we have not written here. Okay, that Sutra also we saw. The number is 63. Yes. Tha Kala Tana. Tha is Tarat Tamap. It's a Pratyaya. Tana is also a Pratyaya. So when Pratyaya follows, when Pratyaya is Uttarapadam, how can Pratyaya be the Uttarapadam? Pratyaya Gragane Tadanta Graganam. Pratyayas are added to what? That. That you have to understand here. Even though it says pratyaya follows, you can see ga sanyaka. See how that's why has gone ga sanyake pratyaye pare. The word ending with the pratyaya ga follows. Kala shabde. Then tana pratyaye means tana pratyayanta shabde pare. Tana sorry, here not tana pratyayanta. Here tana itself follows. This is an exception. This is the interesting thing. You have to note it. Okay. This is different from the others. Different from this kala shabda. Kala is a very word following, and gha sanyaka pratyaya pare and tana pratyaya pare. These two things tells you that when the pratyaya gha follows, tana pratyaya follows. So these here it is specifically given. Therefore, pratyaya grahane tadanta grahanam we cannot do that here. Gha sanyake pratyaya pare, when the pratyaya having the sanya gha follows, very pratyaya follows, or when the pratyaya tana follows. But here it is kala shabda follows. Okay, therefore the example, the pratyaya follows in tara and tama. So therefore kala shabda is different from the other two. Other two are just a pratyaya. Ga sanyaka pratyaya, tana pratyaya follows. Okay. Here, the next one, here in this Vartika, you can see, here in this Vartika, Apo Yoni Yen Matusu, Yet and Matup, these are the pratyayas. So Yet pratyaya and Matup pratyaya. So Yet pratyaya alone cannot come. Matup pratyaya alone cannot come. So it must be with the word. Therefore, pratyaya grahane tadanta grahanam. By that, you have to take the word which is ending with Yat pratyaya, which ends with Matup pratyaya. That shabda follows apashabda. Then what will happen? Apashabdasya uttarasya saptamyaha aluk bhavati. Like what? Like the example, suyonihi, etc. You will see that. I'll explain the example with the vigraha vakya. Now, apashabda. Apashabda, what is a pratipadikam? Pratipadikam is
Up.
up. Saptamiya, here we are talking about saptamyaha aluk, right? So for up plus su.
Apsu.
Apsu. Up plus su, apsu. Followed by the word yoni. Yoni plus, you can take
Su.
yoni plus su. Yoni plus su. Then, here it is luk or aluk.
Yes, aluk only. Huh?
Here it is,
Saptami aluk.
here vibhasha, right? You can see it is the
Is it Vibhasha?
yes, it's vibhasha.
Okay.
That's why you have two forms. Sorry, not vibhasha. Okay, this is aluk bhavati eva. It is aluk, not vibhasha. So it is aluk eva bhavati. Okay. The whole thing is a pratipadikam. Supodhatu pratipadika yogo look, but here it is aluk. Therefore, up plus su will become apsu. Apsu. And here yoni plus su, this su goes away. This su will go away. Whereas this su is aluk.
Not
Apsu,
aluk.
apsu plus yoni, apsu yoni. Then you can add a su pratyaya to decline the love. Apsu yoni. Apsu yonihi iti yela form. Then the next one, yat pratyaya, if you take up plus su plus here, yat is a pratyaya. Yat is a pratyaya. So therefore, you have to take it as the okay. Yat we will do it little later. We will do first this matup. I'll take matup. Matup is the pratyaya. Matup is a pratyaya. So there it will be pratyaya grahane tadanta grahanam. Pratyaya grahane tadanta grahanam. Here it is not done. Okay. there is another paribhasha maybe countering that. Pratyaya grahane tadanta grahanam I said, but the examples are okay. I will find what that's another paribhasha. By that it is negated. Here the very pratyaya itself taken, like the tara and tama. Here it is the pratyaya itself taken. Apsu plus the yat pratyaya follows. Su plus matu pratyaya follows. By this sutra, dighaditvat yat pratyaya bhavati. Dighaditvat yat pratyaya. Dighaditvat yat pratyaya is it's a sutram which is Tadita Sutram, Dighadi 4354. Okay, there we have to see. Dik Adibhyaha. It's maybe a Gana. Dik Adibhyaha Yat Pratyaya Bhavati. The Shabdas in the Dik Gana. Dishi iti evam Adibhyaha Pratipadikebhyaha Yat Pratyaya Bhavati. In what meaning? Tatra Bhavaha. Tatra Bhavaha, in that meaning, we add the Pratyaya. Tadita Pratyaya it. Tadita Pratyaya Dishi Bhavam. Dishi Bhavam Dishyam. Divi Bhavam Divyam. Okay, it is not Div is there, not I don't know, but we can take Divi Bhavam Divyam. That which is in the Divi Swargaloka. So in that meaning, Tatra Bhavaha Tasmin Arte Yat Pratyaya Bhavati. So here it is not Pratyaya Grani Tadanta Granam. Okay. So how it is not applied is another question for me. I have to think. I will let you know later. I have to find out how it is. So you take the very pratyaya itself. So therefore, here it is not su. Apsu plus yat pratyaya. Because it is a tadita pratyaya. Maybe, okay, anyway. That countering that paribhasha, another paribhasha may be there. Negating that, I will tell you later. Apsu tatra bhavaha, by that sutra, tadita sutra, tatra bhavaha iti, that is a main sutra. Under that we have dighadibhyaha yat pratyaya. So dik adi shabdebhyaha yat pratyaya bhavati, that this tadita pratyaya will come. So apsu plus yat will become apsu plus yat pratyaya. Apsu plus yat pratyaya. So yat is a pratyaya. What pratyaya? Tadita pratyaya. So what will happen? Apsu plus yat will become su. So what will happen to su? Su will become
Look.
huh?
Look, not here.
Su will become
This
so,
up plus who is supratyaya. That is saptami.
yes, it is aluk only. Apsu plus ya. So apsu plus ya. Then
Plus me, no.
sorry, why it is not me. Gi only su. In fact, okay. It
There
is
is
gi.
Bhagavachanam. No, that
It
is
is gi. That's up plus gi is apsu ya. So therefore here it becomes. Here what happens? Apsu plus ya. This ya.
Why Niji?
Oh, this is Eka.
Upper plus gi. Saptami bhakti. Why gi means what?
No,
Apsu.
so I thought Bhagavachanam of su.
It is okay. It's right, Bhagavachanam. Okay.
Yeah.
Gi is we understand it's all, but Apu is a Bhagavachanam. Therefore, sup only you have to say. Yes.
Okay.
So we say, I mean, see, probably she said gi because of the previous one. Everywhere we say gi. Suddenly su comes is identified with Pratama Bhakti. It's not Pratama Bhakti. It is Nitya Bhagavachanam. Therefore, sup. Okay. That confusion is there. Yes. For me also will come. When we don't see, sometimes it will come. 7-3 it is. Saptami Bhakti only. Yes. So now it will not be there. So up plus su. So yat pratyaya when comes, then we have seen one sandhi rule. Apsu plus ya. Okay, what will happen? Apsu plus ya. Here ya is a pratyaya. Okay, apsu plus ya. Apsu plus ya. What will happen when the yat pratyaya follows? Under sandhi context, we have seen vanto I pratyaya.
Yeah.
Vanto I pratyaya. We have seen this long back. when yakaradi pratyaya follows, vantaha, that su
Will be replaced by au and of respectively.
will be replaced by, here it is u. Therefore, it is be replaced by o. So, it is upso plus here will become vanto e pratyaya. You will have apsavyaha iti rupam. Apsavya plus su, you will have apsavya. That is how we get apsavyaha. Vanto e pratyaya, remember? Don't
Yes,
remember? Then have to go and see what is vanto e pratyaya. Vanta referring to vakaranta. Vakaranta which is coming as anuvritti from echaha, yava, yavaha. So that is av and av. Of the ayadi, av, I, av, and I. We have to take vakaranta shabda. So therefore, okara, aukara yogo. Yakaradi pratyaya pare. Pramena, what will happen? You will have av and av adesha. Av and av adesha. So therefore, vanto e pratyaya. Sorry, I just jumped out. Nobody asked also. How it is comes, how here it is, oh, who has to become more? Then only you can apply vanto e pratyaya.
Yeah.
How this who has become, oh, that I didn't tell you. And nobody has also.
That's
I
what
just
I
jumped.
was thinking. Who only said who? How come
Who has
become
come?
au?
Sorry, I took it for granted and jumped that. Okay. It is U. If it is O, then vanto e pratyaya. Here you can apply vanto e pratyaya. Therefore, apsabhyaha you get. But how this it become? Who has become O? Vanto e pratyaya. What's the number? 6361?
6179.
79. Yeah, see the example. Go plus yat kavyam. That
Yeah.
similarly vanto e pratyaya. Yakaradi pratyaya. Now here, how here ukara has become okara. Here you can see that there's a sutram which is says or gunaha 64146. Oho is ukara. Ukaranta shabdasya guna adesha bhavati. When this is 64. 64 is what section? 64
Basya.
Basya. So basya angasya basangikasya angasya ukaranta basangikasya angasya gunadesha bhavati kada tadite pratyaya pare. Now what pratyaya follows here? Yat is a tadita pratyaya. Tadita pratyaya used in the what meaning? Tatra bhavaha tasmin bhavaha ityarte pratipadikasya or subantasya, anything you can say. It's not a problem. Yat pratyaya bhavati. So yat is a tadita pratyaya. And it is added to apsu. Apsu is a word. It is ukaranta shabda. Therefore, ukarantasya u will become now by this sutra or gunaha. Apsu will become so. Okay, so will become so. This is by this sutra or gunaha. 64 130 146. That sutra also I will explain that 146 or gunaha, which is under ba section. Varnantasya means ukara or ukara. Basangikasya andasya tadita pratyaya pare gunadesha bhavati. Then see some example. Upagu, that is a very famous example. We'll be seeing this upagu often. Upagu plus an. An is a tadita pratyaya. Tasya apatyam, in that meaning. His son. Is son or daughter. Tasya apatyam an pratyaya bhavati. Like that. Dasharathasya apatyam puma. Any ukaranta shabda is a Srilinga. Then we can do apatyam. Ukaranta, kunti karanta. Anyway, upagu is that any ukaranta, Srilinga shabda, if you remember, any word in name, get the Vadhu is daughter-in-law. You can say, but name will be better, in proper name, like Kunti, Janaki, Saumitri is Lakshmana, Sumitra, Kaikeyi. Okay. Anyway, so Ukaranta Shabda you take here Upagu. Upagu's son of Upagu is Aupagava. Upagu plus an pratyaya, tadita pratyaya. Following the upagu, this upagu gets a sanya, ba sanya. Why? Yachibham by that sutra, this gets ba sanya, and it is ukaranta, ba sanya sandasya, tadita pratyaya pare, gunadesha bhavati. Therefore, the u will become o. And also, adi viruddhi also happen. That is the speciality of tadita pratyaya. Taditeshu achamadehe. So u will become au, adi varna, that also will become au. And by this sutra, or gunaha, antya ukarasyapi gunadesha bhavati. So one is vriddhi and guna. Two karyams happen. So aupago. Now here only aupago plus a. You can do ayadi sandhi, aupagavaha. Aupagava. Swayambhu plus an. Swayambhuva, you get the word. Swayambhu plus an. Tasya patyam puman. Swayambhuva. Okay. Any Strilinga if you not that. Okay, leave it. So tasya patyam. See, these are all tadita, the adhikara. Tasya patyam, tatra bhavaha. In those adhikara, different pratyas are there added to different pratipadikam. The conditions are there. For this upago shabda and pratyaya is added. For kunti shabda we add a dak pratyaya. So kaunteya you get. So same meaning tasya patyam only. Okay. But anyway, we will see in Tadita section. But just note, this is a sutra we applied. This is in 6.4 section, our very familiar section, Basanya section, or Gunaha. So Ukarantasya Shabdasya Gunadesha Bhavati Tadita Pratyaya Pare. Yat Tadita Pratyaya is Yat Pratyaya Tatra Bhavaha Digadibhyaha Yat Iti Sutrena Yat Pratyaya Bhavati. Therefore, you will have Apso. Then Bantoi Pratyaya is applied Apsabhyaha iti Rupam. Okay. That's how we get Apsabhyaha. Here, Saptamyaha Aluk Bhavati. Saptamyaha Aluk. Then the next one. So Apo, Yoni, Yat. Then Matusu. Matusu is Matu Pratyaya. So now here you take Up plus Supratyaya. Sup is Saptami Vyakti, Laguvachanam. Then Matu Pratyaya. Matu is Tadasya asti asminiti, that which as, that in which it is, in that meaning, this Matu Pratyaya is added. So Matu Pratyaya pare, what will happen? Apsu, the word is, the vibhakti is aluk. So therefore Apsu, Apsumat you will have. Apsumatu, here Akara, Ukara, here it. Therefore Apsumat. Apsumat is a pradipadikam. You can decline Takaranta Shabdaha. So you will have Apsuman. Like what sutram? You will have Apsuman, Apsumanto, Apsumantaha, Apsumantam, Apsumanto. That very much, we are very much familiar with that. Apsuman. You will have what sutra is applied? Atvasantasya Chadatoho. Remember, Atvasantasya Chadato, 6.4.14. Attending Shabda.
Yes.
So you will have Apsuman, then Apsumanto. That Dirga will not happen. Apsuman, Diman, same thing. Diman, Dimanto, Dimantaha. Apsuman, Apsumanto, Apsumantaha. Upada Dirgatvam first and then Numagama. Numagama because of Ugit. Dirgatvam happens because followed by Sarvanamastana Pratyaya. And the two Asambuddhisu Pare. How this you can recall. Right? Apsuman, Apsumanto, Apsumantaha. So you get that form like by this. Right? So this is how we get then. But here, the thing is, in all these places, this is a Saptami, this is a Tatpurish Samasa. Samasa is formed by Saptami Shaundai. Okay, that we'll see. The sutra is over. When Saptami Shaundai, by that you're doing Yoga Vibhaga and we get this forms. We will see that. There's a note in the next class. Okay, any doubts do you have? Please tell.
No, ji.
See, we are in the process, we are seeing so many sutra which is connected, not important. Again, we will see. You can You can go through the sutra if you have time. SCA teacher, very important sutra. If you have time, please go through this. The Tadita Sutra, very important. Nastadita SCA teacher. Now you know SCA teacher, that is enough. Then Or Gunaha. Vanto E Pratyaya, you can recall. Vanto E Pratyaya. Just we saw Vanto E Pratyaya, one example only, Gabhyam, but now we can see the examples. Pratyagrahane Tadantagrahanam, that is general, but here it is not applied. Why it is? Let me think on that. Okay. Pratyagrahane Tadantagrahanam. But Supting, okay. Pratyagrahane Tadantagrahanam. Okay. I will find out. Supting Antam Padam, there also is a Pratyagrahane Tadantagrahanam. In fact, oh, okay. I think explain that also. Just 2 minutes. Supting Antam Padam. Here, okay, this Supting Antam Padam. Here what we say, Sup Antam, Ting Antam is Padam, right? Not Sup is a Padam, or Ting is a Padam. Not Sup is a Padam, not Ting. That word ending with Sup Pratyaya, Ting Pratyaya is only the Padam, get a Sanya Padam. Now, Pratyaya Grahane Tadanta Grahane, there is a Paribhasha. Pratyaya Grahane, when there is a Pratyaya Grahane Tadanta Grahane. There is a Paribhasha which says, when there is a Pratyaya, then by Pratyaya we understand the word ending with that Pratyaya, Tadanta Grahana. Tadanta Grahana is Pratipadikam, Tadanta Pratipadikam. Like Tadanta, Taditanta. Then why there is a discussion? Why this Anta is there? Because Sup means we understand Subantam. Ting means we understand Tingantam. Then why Anta is this word is required? Not required. You should have said simply Supting Padam. Because we understand Pratyaya Grahane Tadanta Grahanam. Sup means Subantam, Ting means Tingantam. Why do we need unnecessary the Antam? No, that Antam is required when there is a Sanya Vido Pratishedaha. When there is a Sanya, this Pratyaya Grahane Tadanta Grahanam is Pratishedaha. It is negated. Here Padam is a Sanya. Where there is Sanya, when Sanya is indicated, there Pratyaya Grahane Tadanta Grahanam will not apply. Sanya Vido Pratishedaha. So therefore, Antam, the word is required. Here it is a Sanya. Subantam is a Sanya. Tingantam is a Sanya. So therefore, Pratyaya Grahane Tadanta Grahanam is not applicable. The same logic also is applicable here. That's what I think. Anyway, here Pratyaya is added. So it denotes Tatra Bhavaha, referring to that which is in that place. So maybe that I will check that. Some connection is that. It's not exactly what I told. So in Supting Antapadam, we don't apply Pratyaya Grahane, Tadanta Grahanam, the Paribhasha. Similarly, here also, something is Apsuman. So maybe it's connected to that. Let me find out why it is. Same thing for Tara as well as Tana. So I'll let you know in the next class. Exact interpretation, exact explanation for that. Okay. So we have seen now up to this 6380. We'll stop here. If you have any doubts, you can ask. See, all this explanation you will not find in the website as well as it's not explained. All this, to know all these things, you should have enough background of this Tadita and Tadita related rules and some Upapadam, Samasa, all these related rules. Since we are doing Samasa, so we can cover. And sometimes you have to bring in Sutra, certain rules which we have not seen. That also, it's only a preliminary, it's a preliminary introduction only. When we deal with that particularly, we'll see in detail. Okay. So many things we discussed. Ini Pratyaya, Nini Pratyaya, all these things. And Gai Pratyaya, etc. Okay. You take as much you can. Stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. You can note all these words. Gramevasi, Gramavasi. At the end of the samasa, when this word is given, by referring to the sutra if possible. Otherwise, also should be able to give the Vigraha Vakya. If you can tell that, then samasa is done. The same example, stock examples, these examples only. You can take a list of such words. The same understand this example, the same thing can be stretched for the words which you come across in the Bhashyam. Okay. Dhanyavadaha.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಶರಣಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಶ್ರೀ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.